So yeah, today I'm going to be doing a decluttering video. So basically, I'm just going to go through my clothes and kind of see what I want to give away. I'm moving out of this apartment at the end of this month. So I like to go through clothes that I don't need and just give away stuff that I don't really need anymore. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. Moving is so sad to me because you make so many memories in the place, but hey, we gotta do it. So yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you always know when I post, and like up this video because
Oh my god. Sorry, y'all.
no, sorry, make sure that you hit the notification bell so you know when I post, and to thumbs up this video because it helps me out a lot, like it really does. And yeah, anything else, Moses? No, I gotta take him out for a walk. So yeah, I'm probably gonna switch over to my camera because I don't have a stand for my phone. I just wanted to vlog style the beginning of this video. But yeah, guys, let's jump right into it. Hey guys, so hours later, and I have my makeup and my hair done. Just threw on this little this outfit, whatever. We're not going out really. But I had to look cute on camera, okay? I can't look crazy. Anyway, so yeah, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna be going through my dresser and my closet back there, just to go through clothes to donate. So yeah, I have this vlog style on my phone, but the tripod for my phone kind of broke. So I think I'm gonna have to switch over to my DSLR camera to show me doing this. But it's basically just a chill video, guys. It's nothing like too in-depth. I'm just gonna be going through clothes and like making separate piles. So I thought I'd just vlog me decluttering my stuff. So yeah, there's a lot to do, so let's get started. Okay, hey guys, so I'm on my other camera right now, and yeah, this is basically what most of my clothes are shoved into. So it's like over time it's just gotten so discombobulated. So it's like t-shirts, sweats, shorts, bathing suits, like floating pajamas, like all floating around here, and so many clothes that I just don't even touch. So that's why I just really want to go through this before I pack and move out of here at the end of the month. That's just what I like to do. So yeah, how I really base it off, like while I'm going through this, is if I wear it or not, and that's it. Now this drawer is like my underwear and bras, so I don't know if that's allowed on YouTube or not. But if I don't know, I'll see. If it's not in this video, then I cut it out just to be safe. And if it is, then it's in here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and sort through this, start from drawer to drawer. And then I'll probably speed it up, put some cool music so it's like not too boring and not too long. And then once I get through this, then I'm gonna go through the closet and show you guys my closet. And there's just so much stuff that I don't touch, and I really need new clothes. But anyways, yes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here and explain what I'm doing really quick. So basically to the left, as you saw right there, I'm gonna put the donation items, just things that I have duplicates of or I don't really wear anymore. And then to the right side of the screen, that's gonna be the keep pile. If you guys notice me looking up, I just have like a movie playing while I'm doing this. That's a really good tip I want to let you guys know, is to like play a good movie or TV show or some music. It just helps the process to go by a little less boring, if you'll say, because it is boring going through your clothes. But comment down below how many times you guys do this. I like to do this once a year just to really clean through all the clothes I don't even wear anymore. You guys, question. I'm gonna I'm gonna hold on to this. Comment down below, should I keep this? Oh my god, I'm messing up already. It's a cute like 90s old shirt I got from Goodwill, but this is something I've never worn, but I feel like it's I don't know, it's something cool to hold on to. They don't really make clothes like this. So I'm gonna hold on to this as a maybe, but comment down below, do you think I should keep this, or do you think like, Taylor, that's ugly? Like, hold on, let me try it on for you guys. Show you. This is ugly. What do you guys think? Should I keep this, or I mean, I can like tie it in the front, you know, something cute like. What do you guys think? I'm gonna hold on to it. Just comment down below, like, get rid of it or keep it. Sorry, this is another one. So I got this from Forever 21, but I never wore it. I think I'm gonna keep it, but it's like this like terry cloth towel material, and it has this like drawstring at the front, and it's like, it says Pepsi all over it. And then this is like the matching skirt. I had bought it for spring break, I just never wore it. It's like a green color. I don't know. Let me know. Should I keep this set, or I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I should keep it or not. If you guys are still watching, don't forget to follow all of my social media, which will be linked down below in the description box, and you guys can stay active with me on there. I post damn near every day, and feel free to message me if you guys have any questions. All my drawers are emptied. Now I have my two piles. I have my donation pile and my keep pile. My keep pile is still pretty big, but not really. It's just like kind of in my head. But I do have a lot of donation clothes that I put aside, so I'm actually proud of myself. So we got done with that pretty fast. I hope this video isn't too short, but now we're gonna move on to the closet. So let's go. Okay guys, I'm handling the camera right now, but I just want to show you, this is what I kind of have to go through. These are just some random piles of clothes I have, and then here I have like the t-shirts, extra pants, stuff that I just don't even touch. Like, I mean, not don't even touch, these are my t-shirt piles, but some stuff under here, like, I have never really touched it in a minute. So yeah, I'm gonna go through this. I have some heels I could possibly donate, but this is what I want to touch on. All of these clothes, like, I don't know, some of them I wear, some of them not really, like I said. And then that's my lighting equipment. But behind there, you guys can see I have all of these things that I don't really touch. So yeah, I just want to go through that strictly, and let's see what we get rid of. Okay guys, so we just cleared that space out, which is awesome. So I do have a nice lovely pile, but now we're finally moving on to the last space I have, which is all of this. this. I'm just gonna go through it. Now back there, it's more so like winter clothes and coats. Not like you need that in Florida, but sometimes I travel to see friends and family that live in cold places, so that's why I keep that stuff. So yeah, mostly here it's just like robes and then dresses, going out clothes, jeans, and then jackets, and then coats, like winter stuff up here. That's how I kind of have it organized. So I'm just gonna quickly go through this, see what I don't want, and then I think we'll be about done. Oh, by the way, you guys, for this, I'm not gonna throw it on the ground because it's still like, what, today's like August 10th, so I don't have to leave till like the end of August. So I'm just gonna leave this hanging up for now just to avoid a big mess, because mind you, the stuff that I'm keeping, I'm gonna refold it and then put it back. So that's what we're doing right now. So when I move, then I can just go ahead and pack everything, because I know I went through stuff I don't want anymore. So yeah, so I'm just gonna leave anything that I want to keep on the rack, and anything that I want to donate or give away, throw away, I'm gonna throw that on the ground. Keep. Okay guys, so I just finished going through all the clothes as you saw. So now really quickly off camera, I'm just gonna refold the things that I need to have be put back into the drawers, and then I can show you guys how I categorize, or how I organize them and categorize it, and then I can show you guys me putting it back away so you can see the way I organize. But I feel really good. I feel like I cleared out a lot of stuff that I just never touch, and it's so annoying that I see it because I'm like, why do I still have this? So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do off camera, and then I'll combine the two piles all together of everything that I want to give away to donate and show you guys so you can see everything that I've gone through, because I feel like it doesn't look like I picked out a lot of stuff, but realistically I do wear a lot of the clothes that I kept. Anyways, let me stop talking. I talk way too much. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I need to do off camera, and then I'll meet you guys right back. Hey guys, so this is a part 2 because it just ended up getting kind of dark outside, so I didn't really have enough time to fold all the clothes and then have like pretty good lighting to show you the end result. So I spent pretty much today doing that. That's why I didn't even do my makeup for this part 2, but you guys better appreciate this natural beautiness. Let's just get into it. So I went ahead and folded everything, and I'm gonna switch the camera over just to show you guys really quick. I didn't do this drawer because it's just like a bunch of bras and panties. So yeah, that I'm gonna take care of later. But this one, nails by Susanna, by the way. I will go ahead and link her Instagram right here. Look at these beautiful nails she did. Please follow her page, red bottoms, hoe underneath. Yes. This is the drawer I had the swimsuits, remember guys? And I just went ahead and folded, and look, we have all of this room in here. But yeah, I have all of my swimsuits and cover-ups, all of that, some headbands in the corner. So that is nice and organized. In this drawer, look how empty it is now. There's like nothing in here. So I just have some sets and some casual going out tops or everyday tops, just basically tops in this one. And then down here, I just kept it my PJ drawer. So I have all my nightgowns, lingerie right here. Just like shorts, bottoms. And this one is just like sets or tops for nighttime. And then if we go over here, look at all this space, guys. I feel so much better. Like nothing is shoved in here. But this is just extra bottoms, tops, workout tops, you know, all of that. just a few. So much space. I'm so happy. Look at, there's nothing. That means I can put new clothes in here. It means I can buy new clothes. Look at these biker shorts. This is literally, if my friends are watching this, I told you guys, I have no clothes. So that's my dresser, you guys. And over here, you can see Moses is laying on the pile. But all of this is going to be donated. Maybe. I'm waiting on your guys' answer for that one. And then if we go over here, that's the pile I'm donating. I'm just gonna put all this in a trash bag. Well, I'm gonna wash it first and then, you know, put it in a trash bag. So over here, you guys, you can see I put more of my chunky stuff in the closet. So I have my sweatpants here. They don't take up as much space in the drawer, so I have more space over there. And these are all of my graphic tees, t-shirts. You can see I had so many, just took so much space in there, so I went ahead and put them in here because I have the space. And then up here, I put all of my tights because they're so easy to just grab. Like when they were in the other dresser, it was kind of just getting like too clustered. They're not that deep of a drawer, but over here, it's just way easier for me to grab my tights when I want to go exercise. And then, yeah, you guys, the closet's already done. So now everything is ready to be packed. It's going to be way easier. I'm sorry if it sounds like I was out of breath, but like when I explain things, sometimes I just hold my breath when I'm talking.
Honey, I need to go to the psychiatric ward.
But anyways, that's the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video where I donate clothes and how I sorted and organized everything. So thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. And until the next video, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.